Welcome to Travel Biz Monitor Daily News, your quick dose of top travel headlines and insights. Stay ahead, stay informed. Japan ends walk-in visa applications in 4 cities. Indians planning to travel to Japan will no longer be able to submit visa applications without prior appointments in Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi and Puducherry from March 2, 2026. The change was announced by VFS Global on February 21st, marking the end of the walk-in system in these 4 cities. Ladakh tourism eyes strong revival in 2026. India's renewed push to revive tourism in Ladakh has sparked optimism among industry leaders and local stakeholders. With bold reforms, targeted branding, and strategic collaborations, the government is laying the foundation for a strong and sustainable tourism recovery in 2026. DGCA issues new airline refund rules. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, has issued a revised Civil Aviation Requirement, CAR, effective immediately, outlining stricter timelines and clearer obligations for airlines operating domestic and international flights to and from India.